My name is Theodore, and I am here today to show you how to create and use mandatory user profiles on Windows Server 2008 R2. So what is a mandatory profile? It is a special type of pre-configured roaming user profile that administrators can use to specify settings for users. The user can modify his or her desktop when they log on, but the changes they make to their desktop will not be saved when they log off. And yes, of course, only administrators can make changes to the mandatory profile. To create a shared folder on your hard disk drive, and let's right click, it's a new folder, let's call it profiles with a C. See that we already have one there with an S. And let's share this. Properties, sharing, advanced sharing, share this folder, permissions. So let's remove everyone. And let's add authenticated users. Let's add domain admin. Domain admin get full control. Apply. Authenticated users, just read write. It's okay. Alright, okay. Apply, okay. Close this, and now we are going to create a user. Administrative tools, Active Directories and computers. Users, new user, same mandatory. Next, password never expires. Next, let's finish. And now we're going to make this user a member of the administrative group. Member of add administrator. Click apply. Okay. Alright, so now that's done. So now let's, from start, let's go to administrative tools, and let's go into our group policy management. So we're going to click on ironstorm1.com, click on domains, and then click on the ironstorm1 domain here again. So we're just going to highlight ironstorm1 here and right click and go to new organizational unit, and let's type test organizational unit next thing we're going to do, we're going to right click on policy objects, and we're going to click new, and we're just going to call this test GPU, and click OK. And that's all we're going to do for now. So here in the group policy objects, under the test GPU object we just created, we're going to right click on it, edit, and under computer configuration, we're going to go to, let's see, preferences. Let's go to policies instead, administrative templates, let's go to system, and we're looking for user profiles, and select on the cache copies of roaming profiles, click enable, delete cache copies, and apply, OK. Next we're going to set the roaming profile path, click it enable, set the profile path in here, and don't forget to add your percent, user name variable, and percent, and apply, and OK. And third, prevent roaming profile changes, as we don't want the user of the mandatory profile to change or modify anything. Now back under administrative templates, Windows components, we're looking for remote desktop session host, remote desktop services, then remote desktop session host, then under profiles, use mandatory profiles on the RD session host server, click enabled, set path for remote desktop services, click it enabled, copy and paste the same path in here. We could take off the .v2 because Windows will automatically look for that log on. Let's see it. Let's see. Apply. OK. So now let's link our group policy object. So right click on test organizational unit, link an existing GPU, and click test group policy object, click OK, and now that has been linked. So now we're going to go to our client machine and log in with our mandatory profile. I created a user here called mandatory. Let's type in the password. And as you can see, it says you have been logged on with a temporary profile. You cannot access your files, and files created in this profile will be deleted when you log off. To fix this, you have to contact the administrator, the system administrator. So this is a mandatory profile, so whatever changes the users make, it will be deleted after they log off. It won't save anything. And that's it. And that's how you create a mandatory profile in Windows 2008 R2.